Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make a gift card holder, and this is the one we're going to make today. So this is the front, and then the inside holds your gift card. So cute. I actually know somebody that's birthday is on Halloween, so this is pretty perfect gift for them. But then this is the one we made in the glitter pit yesterday, so it's the same card, but instead of it being a gift card holder, we made it into a spinner card. So if you want to check out this video, that link is listed down below and you can catch the replay. Okay, so let's go ahead and start making this card. Okay, so let's start with the base. The base is the basic black, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 8 1/2, and you're going to score this at 4 1/4. Let me get my bone folder. Okay, and then we're using a piece of pumpkin pie. This piece is cut at 4 by 4. And then this piece of the black glimmer paper, this is in the holiday catalog. It's so pretty. This is cut at 1 1/2 by 3 1/2 or 3 3/4, either way. And then we're going to pennant that. And then this piece of whisper white is for the inside. That's going to hold your gift card. This piece is cut at 4 by 11. And we're going to score that piece right now. Let me grab my paper trimmer. Okay, so with the 11-inch side across the top, we're going to score at 4, 5 1/2, and 7. Okay, so this is going to make your inside piece of your card. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do some stamping first before we put our card together. So I'm going to grab some Whisper White, and we're going to use the Memento ink. And this is the stamp set I'm using, the Ghoulish Goodies. We're going to use this. It's not a trick, it's just a treat. And then we're going to also use these two sayings on the inside, Ghoulish Goodies, and then to a frightfully good friend. So we're going to stamp this. It's not a trick, it's just a treat. We're going to stamp this. We're doing stamping first because we're going to do some die cutting with our new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And that's all we're going to stamp right now. So let's go ahead and grab our machine. So this is the brand new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. It's so awesome. And we're going to do some embossing today. And we're going to emboss on this pumpkin pie piece. So these are the sandwiches that we're going to use. So we're going to use the plate number 1. And then we're going to use our embossing folder. This is the brand new cobweb embossing folder, and this is the 3D embossing folder. So we're going to put that between and make our sandwich, and then we're going to use the platform 4. So we're going to lay our embossing folder and then our number 4 platform, and then crank that through. So awesome. So here's our embossing with the cobwebs. Love that. All right, now we're going to change it up. We're going to do some cutting now. We're going to bring in our other layers, but we're still using the platform number 1. Then we're going to use the layer number 2. This is like our thin die adapter. You guys remember that when we had the Big Shot? This is like that. So this is number 2. And then we're going to lay our cutting pad down. This is number 3. This is my scuffed up one, keeping my other one that's kind of nice up on top. And then we're going to cut out, it's not a trick, it's just a treat. And these are the circle, the layering circle dies. We're going to use the smallest one of the 3 that I got here. I'm going to cut that out. Okay, so then the next layers are just the black glimmer paper, which is so pretty, and then also the pumpkin pie. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut these out. Okay, so we're done with the machine. Let's go ahead and move that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and build our card now. Let's bring in our base. We're going to put our pumpkin pie onto the base. But first, after I add the adhesive, I'm going to go ahead and put our little Glimmer paper strip here. Remember, this is the 1.5 by 3.5. And I'm going to go ahead and pennant the end on that. I'm going to get my paper snips. We're going to snip here at the end. Okay. So there's that. All right, so let's go ahead and put the adhesive on the back of the pumpkin pie. And then we're going to grab our glittered organdy ribbon. This is the black with the sparkles on it. So pretty. I'm just going to wrap a piece around that in the center somewhat. Get my scissors. Just going to cut that off. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and adhere our little banner to the front. Going to go on the front, over to the left, towards the left. Okay, and then this is going to go on the front. Okay, and then we're going to layer our pieces here together. Pop this up on dimensionals. So then this is going to go on the front, just like that. Okay, so now let's do the inside. All right, so here's our Whisper White piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the classic label punch, and we're just going to fold this in half. So remember, this is the 11-inch piece of Whisper White, and we scored it at 5.5, so that's right in half. So we're going to take our classic label, and this will punch through both layers, and I'm going to line this up. Try to line it up in the center. And I'm just going to punch out, I don't even think that's half of that little label there. So let's go ahead and punch that out. And then I'm just going to move it over a smidge to the left and a smidge to the right. I just need it a little bit bigger than what this punches for my gift cards. So I want to make a test run here, make sure this fits in there. Yep, perfectly. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and open this up, and we're going to grab our glue dots. And I'm using the Take Your Pick tool. I'm just going to pick up some glue dots. You could probably use the adhesive, but I find the glue dots work really nice. So we're just going to put 2 glue dots on either side of the slot where we're going to put our gift card. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and fold it over, fold it in half. Then we're going to pull up the sides. So remember, we scored it at 4 and at 7. Let me get my bone folder. And 7. Okay, so now we're going to put adhesive only on one side for right now. Okay, then we're going to bring in our card. Now, this is going to be the pop-up section for our gift card holder, right? So we're going to put our line right here, the folded part. So it should look like an M, I guess, on the side here. So this is the part I have the sticky adhesive on. And I'm going to go ahead and line this up. But really, I'm lining up. Let me open it up. Maybe you can see it better here. So I'm really lining up the edges of my Whisper White so they looked balanced. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line this up. Since this card base is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, I'm just going to line that up so it's 1/4 inch around the Whisper White, which is cut at 4 inches wide. And then I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Now when I close this up, it's just like maybe that's 1/4 inch from the score line. Can you see that? So it looks actually proportioned when you're laying it in. So I guess I'm telling you this is because I don't want you to put that whole section where the gift card is right up to that score line. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and put our adhesive on this back part here. And then we're just going to go ahead and fold over the card, just like that. And then when you open it, let's put our gift card in here. So cute. Look, our gift card's in there. So adorable. All right, then one more thing. We're going to do some more stamping on the inside of our card. So let me grab our ink again. And on this side, I'm going to stamp Ghoulish Goodies, which is the name of the stamp set. Okay. And then on this side, we're going to stamp To a Frightful Good Friend. Okay, so cute. And then here's the gift card. Put that inside there. Don't you love it? So cute. And this will fit in a standard size envelope, but just not a A2 size, full-size card for an A2 envelope. But it will fit and you can mail it just fine. So cute. All right, so let me show you the other one. Okay, so here's the other one. Exact same card, just a different gift card inside. And then here's this one where we made the spinner card in the glitter pit. So if you want to check out the replay for this one, that is listed down below in the description box. Okay, so that's it. That's how you make that really cute gift card holder. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.